evening.
Yeah, good evening. Hello.
Hello, Indrajeet. Very heavy name. My God.
Wow.
I should say wow. I should say wow.
No, no.
So,
Okay, it's okay. Because uh,
yes, yes,
someone says that it is a heavy name, so that's why.
yes, no doubt. So, because it's a heavyweight name because Lord Indra, his
Hmm.
residence is the heavens.
Hmm.
His younger brother is Lord Vishnu,
Yes.
and now you have such a god in your name, and then you have Jeet also. So the winning part is also with you.
Yes.
So
It is a
I
big
mean,
name. Yeah.
a heavy weight, I mean, I would say. So, yes, Indrajeet, let's start the session with positive thoughts. I hope your life
Sure,
is as
sure.
beautiful as the meaning of your name. Very
Thank you
nice.
very much.
Indrajeet, I want to ask you, though we use the terms very frequently and sometimes I feel loosely, but what according to you is the meaning of introvert and extrovert?
Mm, introvert. I was introvert because introvert that is the person who speaks not more
Hmm.
and who speaks when it is needed sometimes.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
And extrovert means someone speaks a lot, like a talkative person,
Hmm.
and also someone who wants to describe more and more
Hmm.
about something, so that is called also extrovert.
Hmm. Any other differences you feel? Though, yes, you were
In
fine with whatever you felt. Very nice.
and
But any other?
also
Yes.
I
Yes.
think that introvert person is very silent
Hmm.
and the extrovert is not,
Hmm.
and both may be considered as intelligent,
Hmm.
and but sometimes we don't know how to say about this, so we should go for remaining silent, so it may not be introvert, right? It may not be called introvert. And
Hmm.
yeah, these are the
Hmm.
things I think about extrovert and introvert.
That's great. Very good attempt, I would say. Yes. So introverts are unsocial people. As you said,
Yes.
they prefer to be silent. It's
Yes.
because they are not social.
Yes.
And the extrovert people just love being around people. They
mm,
they they work best when they are around people.
yes, yes, true. And sometimes someone shows introvert in front of the real people, but those are very active on social medias.
Yes, yes, another category. I was
Hmm.
talking to somebody yesterday only, so we were discussing people. So there are another two set of categories of people. People who are good on the call and who are very frank and very
Yes.
comfortable on the call, while
Yes.
some people work better on chats.
Yes.
And
Exactly.
yes, and another set of people who are not as good when you are in them in person, but
Hmm.
they are another kind of self on social media. So yes, we were
Yeah.
discussing this duality of
Okay. Okay. Oh, wow.
yes.
Great.
And another difference between introvert and extrovert, as you said, both are intelligent. Yes, both are intelligent, but introverts, their creativity comes out more
Hmm.
in solitude. You know, solitude. When a
In
person,
silent mode.
solitude, I would say the word. Yes.
Uh, Solitude means violentless, like that. It is kind of that.
What do you think is the meaning of solitude? According to you, what is the meaning of
Mm,
solitude?
according to me, it is like solitude means someone who prefers to stay alone.
Yes, absolutely correct.
And yeah, spends time lonely.
Yeah. Now, so lonely and solitude are different things. Solitude
Okay.
is when you enjoy your own company.
Okay.
Lonely is when you feel alone, when you
Alone.
feel,
Okay.
yes.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So I enjoy solitude, but I don't, but nobody in this world enjoys loneliness. You feel alone. You want
Okay.
to be around the right people, but you are not around the right people.
Hmm.
You want some kind of help, but then help is not there.
Oh.
You want to feel understood. You want to feel accepted, but nobody understands or accepts you. That is
Hmm.
lonely.
Okay, I see. I see. Oh,
Okay.
solitude means someone who prefers being uh, alone to
Yes.
enjoy.
Yes, absolutely. You got it. So,
Okay.
yes, introverts are solitude people. Introverts
Yeah,
are, yes,
true, true.
and their creativity comes out best in solitude.
Yeah, absolutely.
While extrovert, variety of talents come out when they are with people.
Hmm. True, that's true.
Indrajit, I wanted to ask you, what do you think is the meaning of arrogant and what do you think is the meaning of humble? And any one experience with an arrogant person, any one experience with a humble person.
Uh, Arrogant means someone I think has a lot of ego type or not.
Okay.
Self Self-respect. It is a kind of another term, right? Self-respective man.
Okay.
And the humble
You
person
got
is,
the ego part correct. Self respect, I don't know how you are relating, but okay, I'll take it still.
and
Uh,
the
hmm,
other one humble is modest, is
hmm,
friendly,
hmm.
kind
Okay.
of. Yes, I
So,
have.
yes, yes.
I have experience about the arrogant person, like
Hmm,
in the office
hmm,
when I went to office for official work. So
hmm,
I went to the another serviceman in the
hmm,
office who was working during
hmm,
that time and
hmm,
showed their who showed his arrogance to me.
hmm, hmm,
So I felt embarrassed
hmm,
for
hmm.
that. Yeah, this
How
was the
did he show
situation.
his
I
arrogance? How did he show his arrogance?
He did not uh, pay attention to me.
Okay.
By the way, I have to say that this the work of mine
Hmm.
was should would be completed by him, but
Hmm.
he did not pay attention to me. So and
Oh,
he
okay.
and I was
Okay.
waiting for a long time for that. After that
Okay.
long time, after that period, I went again. I
Hmm.
went around 3 times, and then
Hmm.
he decided to take care my work, and
Hmm.
then the day was completed like that. The work.
So this person, okay. So his signature or this person's help was required to
Yes.
complete a certain task.
Yeah.
And
My work should be completed by him, but he did not pay attention. But it was crucial one.
how
It
did?
was his
Hmm.
duty, but he did
Okay.
not pay
Okay.
attention.
What? Okay. Okay. So, why do you think he did not? Why do you think he did not pay attention? Was he busy, or why do you consider it his arrogance? It
Uh,
might be that he was busy, though I,
so
yes.
that's why I that's why I took time for completing his work, but he
Hmm,
did not pay attention. So how much should I wait for that, right? So I should
hmm,
go again. Then he refused my uh, appearance, and then
hmm.
said said sit down, and then I and I should. And then in the third time, he received my work, and he took care for that. Yeah, and
Uh,
I think that it was
hmm.
so embarrassing moment for me also.
How do you deal? Okay, your personal view, I would like to ask you, if at all people are watching this video, what is one way to deal with an arrogant person?
Hmm.
Obviously the person wants the arrogant person. Okay, the arrogant person is all about himself or oneself. My skills, my talents, my needs, my requirements, I really don't know any other person in the room. So that's
Yeah,
what an
that
arrogant
is,
person is.
yeah, that is okay. That is okay. Totally okay with him. But someone, you are present there to work this kind of activities, right? And to complete, it is your duty. So that's why you should pay attention to anyone who is really who needs help from you. Otherwise, I do not care him and he doesn't. So it is okay.
So yes, after this experience, if any person asks you, how do I deal with an arrogant person, what would your suggestion be? How would you help that person?
Uh, if you need that person to be um, what is it, to do your work, to
Hmm.
like that, you have to
Hmm.
need a sign from
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
officer, right? Then
Hmm.
he
And you
shows
need his
arrogance.
help.
Yeah.
Yes. And he plays an important role
Yes,
in the
absolutely,
completion of your
absolutely.
task.
Yes,
Yes.
signature and scan,
Yes.
but you
Yes.
did not get that.
Yes.
So it is really unfair.
Yes. No
then
doubt it is.
then
Yes.
and
Yes.
then where do you go for
Yes.
that sign
Exactly.
and scan?
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
I faced a lot of times in the office, so
Okay.
i I have a such experience.
Indrajit, what do you do?
Yeah, I'm a college student,
Okay.
studying electronics and communication engineering, and
Okay.
only last semester left to be graduate.
That's very nice. That's very nice. So all the very, very best. And
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
yes, absolutely. And you will certainly go a long way.